In this video, we compare Avata Explorer Drone Combo and Potensic ATOM Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo provides an immersive flight experience with its integrated wearing design and the inclusion of DJI goggles Integra and DJI RC Motion 2. The drone features an upgraded camera system, offering ultra-smooth 4K footage with a 1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155 degrees FOV, providing next-level imagery. Despite its compact palm-sized design, the Avata is capable of agile maneuvers, making it ideal for adventures. The Avata drone offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and enhanced safety with a built-in propeller guard, allowing it to handle minor contact and continue flying. The drone is backed by DJI O3 Plus video transmission, providing a sharp and responsive HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. The Avata Explorer Combo is compliant with FAA Remote ID rules, making it a reliable and legal choice for drone enthusiasts. The Potensic ATOM Drone is an incredibly lightweight gadget, weighing less than 249 grams, making it easily portable and exempt from FAA or Remote ID registration. Equipped with a SONY CMOS Sensor and a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording 4K 30 FPS video, the drone ensures high-quality image and video capture. The drone features a fast 1.5H charging time and offers an impressive 96 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries, ensuring ample time for exploration. The drone boasts an upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology that ensures strong anti-interference compatibilities and a maximum transmission range of up to 6 kilometers. The ATOM drone camera supports visual tracking and creative features like pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, giving users the freedom to record creative moments. The drone is beginner-friendly, with its enhanced GPS capabilities and return-to-home feature, ensuring steady aerial shots and safe flight. The DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo and the Potensic ATOM Drone both offer a unique and exciting drone experience. The Avata Explorer, with its integrated wearing design, offers a more immersive flight experience as compared to the ATOM Drone. Its outstanding 4K footage with a super-wide 155-degree FOV certainly takes imagery to the next level, a feature that the ATOM drone matches with its SONY CMOS sensor and 12-megapixel camera. The Avata Explorer's flight time is 18 minutes, whereas the ATOM drone offers an impressive 96 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries. This makes the ATOM drone more suitable for longer adventures. The maximum transmission range of the Avata Explorer is up to 10 kilometers, which is higher than the ATOM drone's 6 kilometers. Both drones have unique features. For instance, the ATOM drone supports visual tracking and creative features like pull away, rocket, wet circle, spiral, and boomerang, while the Avata Explorer offers agile maneuvers and is compliant with FAA Remote ID rules. In terms of weight, the ATOM drone is lighter than the Avata Explorer, making it more portable. Overall, both products offer high-quality performance, and the choice between the two would depend on the specific needs and preferences of the user.